Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be cleaning 5 overlooked areas in the home. Mold and mildew can accumulate in the washer tray if it is not removed and cleaned at least once a month. To clean these compartments, simply use a soft bristle brush, warm water, and a microfiber cloth. To remove the tray, simply press hard on the tabs that say push. Now the machine, filter, and drain hose needs to be cleaned once a month. As you can see, it says so on the hatch. The filter usually gets clogged with lint, hair, and any other loose particles. To clean, simply drain the hose and soak the filter in warm water or use a soft bristle brush to get out all of the debris. Also, one more thing to mention is that I usually use the Fresh laundry tablets at least once a month. Everyone has an electric toothbrush these days, but the one downside to having them is that over time they develop a weird grayish brownish slime inside, around, and on the base. To get rid of the mold and mildew, I use warm water, a regular toothbrush to get in the cracks, and a clean microfiber cloth. I would recommend doing a deep clean every couple days and make sure you dry off the toothbrush after each use. make a bathroom unappealing. Even if you scrub the bowl, seat, and tank, hair, dust, and dirt can collect around the seat hinges. The use of a disinfectant spray and an old soft bristle toothbrush can usually get the job done. The base and baseboards surrounding the toilet are other areas that do not get as much love as the toilet bowl. Remember, many of us don't usually flush with the lid down, so just imagine what particles escape when the lid is open. Stove knobs are usually overlooked, and if you're an avid cook like me, they can get super grimy. Luckily, with the use of some cleaning vinegar, dish soap, and warm water, and let's say about 5 minutes, they can look like new again. It is said that kitchen sinks host about 31,905 microorganisms, so deep cleaning the sink should be done at least once a week. And as always, all products used will be listed in the description box below. The disposal should also be sanitized at least once a month with bleach or your preferred disinfectant. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye!